Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to create an opt-in page in System.io. An opt-in page, also known as a squeeze page, is essential for capturing lead information like email addresses to build your list. To get started, navigate to the Sites tab in the menu and click on Sales Funnels. Open the specific funnel where you want to add this page. Once inside the funnel dashboard, go to the menu on the left-hand side and click on the Add Step button. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a name for your new page and in the Type field, select Opt-in Page from the drop-down menu. Then click on Save. Next, you will need to choose a design for your page. You can browse through the available templates and simply click on select one that fits your needs. Finally, once the template is loaded, click on the Edit Page button to open the editor and customize the page content. And there you go. This is how you create an opt-in page using System.io. If you want System.io free plan, the link is in the description. And if you have any doubts, please leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching.